my god. Oh, I thought that was a fucking bug. It's just a big fucking chunk of eyeshadow. Hello there, internet. So today we're gonna be baking my face like cookies in the oven. No, you wish you were getting a Baking with Ashley. Instead, I'm gracing you with this video that I honestly don't know what the hell it is, but
we're gonna be putting some makeup products on my face, if you know what I'm saying. And like, we're gonna see if it pops off.
Let's find some tutorials, you know what I mean? I didn't have a YouTube video idea for today, and I haven't posted in a hot second. Meanwhile, I'm over here trying to fucking get merch, but it's like, bitch, if you don't even make videos, who the hell's gonna buy the merch? I also want to look good. Like, I look like a zombie right now, like, no cap, like, I look dead. I also look like I'm in, like, a serial killer's basement right now. I'm not. I'm in my basement, so we're good. No serial killers here. No, we're good. Taylor, our
makeup queen. I know that.
She's appeared in multiple of our vids, you know. She said just, you know, search up fall makeup tutorial and some vids will pop up. Okay, so already right off the bat, we got this bitch, and I am intimidated because not only can she do good makeup, but she's hot. Guys, if I pull this off, I'm taking selfies and you'll never not see photos, and I'm gonna become a beauty guru.
That's all I'm saying.
Oh my god, and she's artsy. Do you see the static? Look how beautiful she is. Holy shit. No, if she's cute without makeup too, I'm gonna have a problem.
To like my old roots. I'm back with
She has an accent too.
full makeup tutorial. I
I
really
have no hope.
don't
Look at her face, look at her hair, look at her body, then look at her makeup, her talent.
YouTube was.
Oh my god. First step for me is probably gonna be putting my hair up. Do I have to take my shirt off in order to look good?
I'm so ready to get
Don't answer that. No, she's using a base. Oh shit, wait, this is just, I need to do like my face. She's taking us through the whole process of eyes. I need this eye.
Huh.
Nope.
I mean, it was intended.
I need to do my face first though, so this aside, like, because if I have a good looking eyes, but not a, like, you know,
Good face.
like, no one's gonna give a shit, you know? Am I not supposed to be applying that like a big fucking baby? I'm literally a giant child. I'm like,
I've been using this. Ooh, tea.
oh, my camera doesn't autofocus. Anyways, so I've been using that Too Faced concealer, but I also use, I don't use foundation, I use powder.
Pure Minerals. In the shade Moyen.
So we just kind of go in. Oh shit, I'm lying to you right now. I have to use concealer. We have to conceal our insecurities. No one can let them see them. No one, don't let them in, don't let them see. This old ass sponge, like I'm in the early 2000s, it's tinted. So we're gonna like put this on all of the problems. I've been told that, like, oh shit, I forgot my under eye bags. They're like huge, by the way. I look dead. Like if I just go like this, look how dead I look. I get inadequate sleep. So as you can see, this made me 2 shades lighter because Taylor is in fact Casper the Ghost. That doesn't even match my skin. Oh my god, this made me so fucking light. Oh, like I can see the difference. Oh my god. I finally saw It Chapter 2. Listen, I'm not gonna say the plot was bad. Anyways, the cinematography, casting, oh my god, the fucking casting was on point. By the way, now I'm going in with the Pure Minerals powder that I mentioned earlier, and I'm just loading that shit on, you know? But anyways, I think the highlight of my experience watching the movie was before I watched the movie. I met a subscriber. If you follow me on any social media, you've already seen it 9 million times, but I'm putting it right now.
I just want to see what the book was about and stuff like that.
Oh my god.
She watches my YouTube.
Who?
Yeah,
How?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I look like a clown. Oh my god. It 3 is right here, guys. Oh my god, what the fuck have I done? Do you see that line on my forehead? So we're just gonna blend.
You are blending.
And then after I do that, I normally go in with, I'm literally acting like I do this all the fucking time, and like I'm Bethany Moda. Bomb ass blush rose glittery thing that like I got because I was like,
I need a blush.
and then I went to, you know, Walgreens and they had this. I love how I haven't even started on the eyes yet, and like that's what this video is supposed to be. I kind of made my face match my body. I have to like make my skin tones match because my face naturally gets very light and white and just get like really washed out overall, so I kind of just look like shit is what I'm trying to tell you. My body always stays darker for some reason.
The formula of this eyeshadow palette, like everything.
She said a lot of words just then and I didn't hear any of them.
There's just so many looks that you can do. I'm actually gonna
Is she
start, like,
sponsored? What? You're going too quick. Wait, shit, I don't even have those colors. Guys, we have a problem. I don't have orange. I have this. Taylor, I am so sorry. What I think they normally do is start out with whatever lighter color they're going with. I want to start with this one. Don't know if that's smart or not, but that's what I'm doing. I don't even think I'm applying this correctly. Like, do you see the way that I'm like demolishing my face right now? Okay, well, we're just gonna like shove that in the middle. I don't even see it on my fucking lid. Isn't it like not good to like fucking squint or some shit? I don't know. There was something that people do that I remember James Charles used to get mad at, but James Charles is a whole ass scandal, so like I don't really think it matters. I'm doing this to go nowhere. It is a Friday night. I live in New York City, and this is what is happening. I look like I got punched in the face. Will someone punch me in the face? If they see me walking out like this, they probably will. Okay. Are they even? Wait. Do they look good? They might, because the lighting isn't that good. It's difficult. Okay, I look kind of good. I might be wrong. For my face, like my cheeks and stuff, I always go golden. So I go in the inner corners. You know it's real when she doesn't even know how to apply mascara. I'm pretty sure my ex could apply mascara better than this. Actually, that wouldn't surprise me. That's like a neutral statement. Like, he probably could. I honestly don't think I look too shabby. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Honestly, it looks like one shade is on my eye though, and that's kind of disappointing because I use like 10 shades. I don't really have resting bitch face. I just kind of look sad all the time. Links down below. Have some fun. Maybe subscribe. Maybe don't. Do it. Subscribe, actually. You should do that. Okay. The color that I'm applying to my face is the color of this. It's the color of my shroom shirt. I'm like a solid 5 right now, and I really want it to be like an 8 or a 9. Did I like fart and not know it? Because it smells like shit. This was my outfit, by the way. I thrifted the shirt and the shorts.